Hi everyone. So today I am going to discuss with you how I do my previous year papers. Now there are various other books which are available in the market, like your Disha publication. This is an old edition of the Disha publication, that is the MCQ previous year prelims MCQ book. Another book like by Arihant, I have this green color book. These all books are there, you can buy it, but what is more important is self-analysis of previous year papers. Now in various other books like Lakshmikant, also individually the politics section is given, as well as in your Nitin Singhania the art and culture section is given. Individually they are there, but self-analysis of past 5-year papers are very much important. Now one of the examples, now we will discuss the 2020 paper, prelims 2020. Now you can see the condition of this booklet, how many times I would have revised, you can see from the condition. Now you have to study, like you can see that I have underlined the various important words which are there. Various code words are also there, like C, you can see, then here H, A. You can give your own codings as per your as you want. Like H means here heading of newspaper. A is like abbreviation. Now you can see here legal service authority, so there was a news in which there was an abbreviation LSA, so that's why I have written A here. Now another example I can give you, like here also one example is there, employers. Now this was in heading, that's why I have written it as H. It is also, it could have been given an A, but as it was there in heading, that's why I have written H. So this is how I have given the coding. Now generally why previous year papers are necessary, because at least you should know the recent trend, because as like papers are going on year by year, the trend is changing. So if you go through the previous 3 years or 5 years paper, at least you would get to know that what is the level of the paper, how the question are asked, or how the whether any like changes in the formulation of the question. Like in recently 2022 paper, you can see like here there is a match of the following. So in this is 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, but in 2022 paper there was option like out of these 3 it would have been given in code, like any 2 is correct, any 3 is correct, any 4 is correct. So all these changes in the formulation of the paper is very much necessary that you should know. Also the previous year paper gives you a hint of how many questions are there in particular subjects. Like polity, you will see generally 16 to 17 question. Art and culture and history, there would be from 18 to 22 number of question. And science and technology, like 7 to 8 questions are there. Environment, there are like 12 to 13 questions. Like medieval history, there are few questions. Ancient history, there are few questions, but in modern history there are at least 13 to 12 questions. So the previous year papers are only the key which will give you a hint that what direction you should go with your preparation. Now here also you can see TRIMS is an abbreviation, that's why I have given it an A. A means abbreviation. And in recently you can also find in previous year papers that what type of new topics are being added. Now in 2021 paper there were topics like sports was also added. In 20 paper, some topics from agriculture were also added. So all these things are important, like how the match of the following and how the codes are formulated. This you will get only when you will go through the previous year papers. And now if you haven't gone through a particular any previous year paper or any book like that, then at the exam hall it becomes a little bit difficult, and if you have gone through, then you are not new to that. So that's why it is very much important. So this is how I have done my all the papers. Now various codings, like this is SCI means science, then AGR means agriculture, state means from state news, EVS means environment science. So this is how you can do your previous year papers. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.